What's up, my people? Once again, it's your girl Michaela Janae here, back with another cooking video. And in this video, I am going to be making a lemon pound cake. Now, this recipe really took it out of your girl. As you can see, I got the KitchenAid out. I got 2 sticks of butter, a whole cup of sugar, and I took the little whisk thingy, I put it on there, and I turned it up high. You guys know this whisk thingy be giving me some trouble because all the stuff be getting caught, and that is annoying, y'all. So I took that out. Try it again. We're trying to get, you know, a consistent type of butter again. It should be nice and fluffy looking. So we're just gonna keep mixing that up. As you guys know, the ingredients will be in the description box. I'm gonna add in my eggs. I think I added 4 eggs, and you're gonna add them one at a time. Mix it up, turn it on high, then stop. Clean out the whisk again, as you guys know, as always. So I'm gonna clean around the bowl, make sure that everything is getting mixed. You don't want anything unmixed. Now I'm gonna turn it on again. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. The eggs do make the batter a little bit looser, of course. So now it's going to turn into more of a liquidy consistency. I'm going to add in some vanilla extract. I'm going to add in some lemon zest. I like zested a whole lemon. I don't know if that was too much, but that's how I was feeling at the time, alright? This lemon pound cake was super lemony, alright? So we're just going to zest that up. It took us a while to zest it up because, I don't know. I'm not really that good at zesting things because you're only supposed to take off the first layer. You're not supposed to get any of the white because that's where it's bitter. So I was trying real hard not to get no white in my cake, alright? So we're just going to zest it up. This is a lot of zesting. We're just going to zest it up, alright? Now I'm going to add in some lemon juice. You only need a teaspoon. I'm going to add in a whole cup of milk, and whole milk that is. Yeah. I think that helps with moistness. I don't really know because. Now I'm going to add in my flour. For this cake recipe, you did need a dry bowl and a wet bowl. You could just mix everything together with your mixing bowl. Right now, I'm going to sift flour. Some flour I sifted, some I didn't. Make sure that you're adding in your baking powder with the flour and not separately. Don't ask me why I did that. It's just because, like I said, you're gonna really be knowing what she's doing yet. She's still just out here practicing. So right now I switched to, you know, mixing it up by hand with my little spatula thingy because you're trying to make a batter now and you don't really want to over mix it because that's going to make your cake super dense. So make sure you're not over mixing this, okay? I've made that mistake before and it was like inedible. So I'm just gonna mix that up. It's okay if you have lumps, like just make sure you ain't got no eggshells. Make sure that your egg is mixed in. And now I'm going to butter my pan, and once again, this was a little bit of a fail. Like, I just don't like this butter, and it was super melty. So now I am going to flour the pan. This is not the way you should do this at all. Don't do it like this. Don't do it. Just put the flour in there and just move it around. Do it over a sink in case it gets a little messy. Yeah, do it like that. Do it like that. And remember that a bundt cake has a hole in the middle, so you might get flour all over the place, you know, but at least it's floured. So now I'm going to place my cake in the pan all around, and then I'm going to take my spatula and smooth it out. I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so it took me a little bit longer than it should have. But then I'm going to shake the cake, and then I'm going to make sure it doesn't have any air bubbles. Make sure it's even because you don't want no lopsided cake, okay? So yeah, I said all that a little bit too early, but now we're going to smooth it out. Smooth it out, smooth it out, smooth it out. That's enough. Y'all can stop like now, but I'm gonna keep going because it wasn't smooth enough for me. Shake, 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 shake. Smooth some more. Like, that's enough, girl. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put it in the oven for 350. Make sure that you let your oven preheat because you have to bake at exact temperatures and times. Otherwise, it's going to be wrong. And this baked for 15 minutes. I remembered because I literally just baked it yesterday. And as you can see, it was so hard to get this cake out of that pan because buttering it and flouring it did not work. So if you just want to spray with Pam, that's okay too. This cake was so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, holla at me in the comments. I'll see you later. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at everything by Maja. Peace out.